Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this wall-mounted drying rack. I was sent this for free in exchange for my review, and I'm going to tell you all about it. You can install this drying rack with either hardware or by using a glue. The glue is longer. It will take you 3 days to let it dry. I chose hardware because installation only took me 15 minutes. The rack is designed to be flat along the wall when not in use, and then you hang the clothes here when you prop it up. Step 1 is to use a pencil to make 2 holes so you know where to drill. After I drilled my holes, I grabbed the drywall mount that came with the kit, and then I tapped that in with a hammer. Here's what that looks like in the wall. After that, all there was to do was place the rack on the wall and then tighten the top and bottom screw. Here's what it looks like totally mounted and flat on the wall. Here's a look at the side angle, and you can see it's really flat and it hardly takes up any space. Once it was installed, I put some clothes on it to try it out. This rack can support 65 pounds worth of clothing, and it's a really good addition to my laundry room. And lastly, I like that this is sleek. If I don't need it, I can fold it up on the wall. It doesn't take up any space, but when I do need it, it's sturdy and it's gonna hold 65 pounds of clothing, so I like that about it.